Page 11, new note, note D, thumb, 1, 2, 3. Then I go 4, 5, 6. You got one hole down here at the bottom that's not covered. With all the holes, you need to make sure that they are covered. If one of them slides off, so it doesn't take much. Make sure that they are covered. Now on this page, they also introduce a tie. A tie, just like if you tie two pieces of rope together, it makes it one rope. So you have a rope that is 3 feet long, tied to a rope that's 2 feet long. You now have a rope that is 5 feet long. That's what a tie does. You take a look at number 17. You have a whole note that is tied to a quarter note. The whole note gets 4 counts. The quarter note gets 1 count. You have a note that gets 5 counts in length. So let's try counting number 17. It starts with pickup notes. So you don't start on count 1, you start on count 2. 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. That's how it's counted. Did you get tricked up? Repeat sign at the end of that sends you back to the beginning of the song. So you have your whole note, 4 counts, and then 1 more. Then your count 2 is back at the beginning of the song. Rewind it and practice counting it over and over again if you need to. Let's play it. To properly start you, I should go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then you come in on 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Back it up, play it over a bunch of times, practice playing along with it. Practicing is how you improve.